Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nidhi from Dr. Sarvind IVF and Pregnancy Center, Electronic City, Bangalore. So today I'll be talking about endometriosis. Little bit of about endometriosis symptom and how does this cause infertility. So if you talk about endometrium is the normal lining of uterus which will shed every month during period. If the same endometrium grows out of uterus, this condition is called as endometriosis. In this condition, there are endometrium implants which happens outside the uterus, maybe in pelvic, maybe in ovaries or any other organ. This is called as endometriosis. So generally patient will present with symptom of maybe mild to severe pain during intercourse, fatigue during period, irregular period, and lastly, they may have 50 to 30% of patient may have infertility problem also. So let us talk about how this is going to cause infertility. What are the reasons why people having endometriosis is infertile? So as you know, this endometrium is outside the uterus, which is not normal. So it will keep on secreting some harmful chemical, which is gametotoxic. It will reduce the egg quality. It will reduce chances of fertilization. Then it will modulate immune system. It will change hormonal system, which will cause decreased implantation rate. It may cause scarring in pelvic wall and scarring, fallopian tube scarring. So it will form bands inside the pelvic organ. So there may be blockage of fallopian tube. Because of all these reasons, overall, the chances of pregnancy will reduce in patients with endometriosis. So now what to do? How do we treat endometriosis? And how do these patients conceive? So the basic treatment for endometriosis is laparoscopic surgeries. We can remove the endometrioma. Then these kinds of patients, if male factor, there is not much problem, minimal male factor problem, they can go for IUI also. And lastly, the treatment can be IVF. Generally, patient with endometriosis also conceive very good with all these treatment. So this is little bit information about endometriosis. Hopefully this video will help you. Any queries, any help, please do visit us or contact our helpline number. Thank you.